guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. Welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me because I can't freaking upload on time. But I will make a whole video about it. I've just been really overwhelmed and really stressed the last couple of weeks, and I don't know, I don't want that to be portrayed on my videos. I want my videos to be an escape for you guys where you can go watch my videos for 10-15 minutes and just, you know, have a good time, talk about hair, talk about makeup, talk about life, and, you know, kind of get away for a minute. So I didn't want to bring that energy onto my channel, but if you guys would like me to talk about that kind of stuff, like with school and with work and with relationships and everything like that, definitely just let me know and I can do those for you guys. I do want you guys to be a part of my life as much as I can. So that is why I have been super sporadic with my uploading recently, which I do apologize for. There is no excuse for it. But yeah, so for today's video, I have my hygiene routine for fall/winter. I think I might do another one when it comes to winter because I do change up a few of my products for then as well. But this is pretty much for like late summer, early fall. So yeah, these are all the products. You guys really liked the last hygiene routine that I did, which was really exciting because I love talking about like stuff that make you smell good and everything like that. So if you guys like these types of videos, definitely let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you are not subscribed, welcome. My name is Jessica. Make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and also hit that bell because it notifies you every time I upload. And I upload 2 times a week, Wednesdays and Sundays. Usually, you know, like I said, I'm a flop. But anyway, moving on. Let's go ahead and get right into the hygiene routine. Alright guys, so when I first get into the shower, let me take a sip of my tea. I love tea. Tea is my favorite. If you guys are wondering what I'm drinking today, it is Awake English Breakfast Tea from Tazo. So, moving on. First things first, when I get into the shower, I rinse my body, the whole thing. I actually wash my face first in the shower, but since this is just like my hygiene routine, I'm going to do a separate skincare video for that. I use this Dove bar soap to clean with my washcloth first. I really like doing this because my skin is super like dry. And I find that this really helps to clean it without stripping it. This is just the Dove, the blue one, the regular original scent. I don't have the cucumber, melon, or anything scented like that. I just have the original bar soap. I love using this. I think that this is one of the best soaps out there, honestly. I have tried Ivory soap, and Ivory soap just dries out my skin so much. I have really sensitive skin. So, I love using Dove soap with my washcloth, and I use that first to wash off my whole body. I use that all over except for like my face and everything because like I said, I wash my face with face wash. But that is what I do when I first get into the shower. Once that is all rinsed off, I go ahead in with my Down There soap. I do have a separate soap for Down There because I am super sensitive down there as well. And this is the Vagisil Daily Intimate Wash. This is just the pH balanced one. I do like the older one too. I don't really feel like there's a difference between them, to be honest. It says it contains lacto prebiotic and helps support healthy intimate skin, pH balanced formula, hypoallergenic. I just really like this because I don't even put the Dove soap down there. Like, that's too irritating for me. This like doesn't have a scent. It's just really like just clear soap, honestly. I just use this every day just to clean down there and make sure that it's nice and fresh and clean. I don't go like inside or anything. I just, you know, do the thing and we're done. But I really like this. I've been using this since like, I want to say like middle school, high school, and it's really just, it's done me good. I really enjoy it. So once that is done, if I'm going to shave in the shower, I love this shaving cream. I think I mentioned this in my last hygiene routine. This is the Pure Silk Rich and Luxurious Shave Cream. This is the Dry Skin Therapy Moisturizing with Aloe and Vitamin E. This just really is nice for my dry skin in the fall and winter time. It has vitamin E in it. It smells really good. I really like this because it's really inexpensive. I hate spending a lot of money on shaving cream because like I'm literally rinsing it off. It's not like it stays on my body. It's not like it's lotion, you know what I mean? So I hate spending a lot of money. So this does the job. It's really inexpensive. I think it's like $2 at Walmart or something. I don't have the razors that I use with me, which is really annoying, but they are just the Bic disposable razors. I just find that that works best for me because I like to use a new razor every time I shave because it prevents razor bumps, and I'm very prone to razor bumps on my skin, so using a new razor every single time helps with that. And for like the bikini area and everything like that, I really like to use this completely bare moisturizing no bump shave gel for legs, bikini, and underarms. I like to use this in my bikini area because it's a really nice lather, so it really is able to get like a smooth cut without, I feel like with this sometimes I can get nicks with shaving cream, but with this I absolutely do not. I actually got this in my influencer bag, box, I guess it's not a bag, but I got this in one of those. I've seen this on Amazon, you can pick it up there, but it's just like a clear, oh, it's wet from my shower. It's just a clear gel, almost exactly the same as the Vagisil, honestly. But it's just, it lathers up in the shower so you can shave with it. You can use this on your underarms and your legs as well. I just don't use it for that because I just like using shaving cream. But this is amazing for your bikini line, and I have not gotten razor bumps since using this, so this is a really great product as well. Once I'm done shaving and everything, I really like to use a sugar scrub. This is not the one I use for the fall and winter, actually. I use this brand, but I use the almond and honey sugar scrub. I think it smells so good. It's so like warm and cozy, and in the fall and winter time, I'm all about being like super warm, super cozy when I get out of the shower, like smelling good and smelling like warm, like vanilla, you guys will see. So I like using the almond and honey scent of this. This is the one I use for the summer, which is the Moroccan Rose. I love this scent as well. These Shea sugar scrubs are my favorite. You can honestly make them at home with some brown sugar, olive oil, and like maybe some coconut oil or something, but I just really like having them in these little containers, and it just smells really good, and it's really easy to pick up from Walmart. It's just a few dollars, so. But if you did want to make them at home, you totally can. So next for my body wash, I always switch up my body wash for like the seasons and everything. Let me take a sip of my tea. It's going to get cold. But for my body wash, I have been using this Moonlight Path body gel from Bath & Body Works. I really do like Bath & Body Works shower gels. I just feel like they're so tiny for the price. Definitely get them on a sale. Do not pay full price for them because that is absolutely absurd. As you guys can see, I really have been liking this one. If you guys have any moisturizing body washes that you love, let me know. I was recently using the Olay one. I really like the Olay. I think I might go back to that one. But this one has been doing me good. It just smells like really fall and like musky. It just smells so good. I love the scent of this. I'm almost out, but this has been one of my favorite body washes. I love the I don't like the body lotion from Bath & Body Works, but I love the body creams. They're so moisturizing. But recently I have been using this Jergens Ultra Healing Lotion. I just love this stuff. I go back to Jergens all the time because it's just so good for dry skin, especially for the winter time. I feel like it's a little bit too heavy for me in the spring and summer because like I'm sweating and it's hot and my skin isn't as dry as it is in the fall and winter, but for the fall and winter, Jergens is like my go-to. I love it. Jergens and Nivea, but I like Jergens like a little bit more. But this is just the super big one. This has the vitamin C, E, and B5. This is the Ultra Healing. I really like the Ultra Healing. I don't like just the healing one. Ultra Healing, 10 out of 10. It is my favorite. So this is really moisturizing. I love putting this on my hands before I go to bed. If you put that on your feet with some socks and go to sleep, your feet will wake up feeling like you got a pedicure. Speaking of pedicures, in the summer, in the winter time, my heels get really dry. I do this actually all throughout the year, but this is just like a pumice stone that I got from Sally's Beauty. It's like one of those like ones that are like fake pumice stones. So I just rub this on my heels I would probably say like 3 times a week, 2 to 3 times a week, just to like get like the dead skin off of my feet, and like just to keep up with the pedicures that I get, so that my heels don't get really dry and crackly throughout the winter time, because it is so cold and you're doing so much walking and everything like that. So I just really like to just pop this on my heels really quick, just rub it under my toes a little bit, on the sides of my feet, and it just really makes your feet really smooth without having to go get a pedicure like every like 2 weeks, you know. So super love that. Next up, I have my body spray that I use. I use the Bodycology Toasted Sugar. This is just such a great scent, guys. It just smells so good. It smells like vanilla. I love smelling like vanilla. Vanilla is my favorite scent. It says the warm blend of vanilla, brown sugar, and sensual amber creates a cozy, comforting scent. And it really does. It really does. I love this scent. I also like what's it called, Vanilla Lace from Victoria's Secret. That is my favorite body spray ever, so I have to go pick that up. But this one from Walmart is just as good, so you don't have to spend all that coin on Victoria's Secret. Okay, next up, I'll show you guys the toothpaste that I've been using, and then I'm actually going to show you guys like my stuff that I use when I'm on my period. So this is the Crest Gum and Enamel Repair. I just have this little travel size of it. I have to go pick up a bigger one when I go to Walmart later. But this is one of my favorite toothpaste because it really cleans your teeth. I find that a lot of toothpaste don't really clean your teeth. And like, I like to leave brushing my teeth feeling like I brushed them, you know, and like brushed all of like the stuff that I've been eating throughout the day away. And I really like this because it's like a gel, more so than like a creamy toothpaste. I don't know how to describe it. I'm just really big on brushing my teeth. So this has been proven to help reverse gingivitis and repairs weakened enamel. I have really thin enamel, so that is a major key for me. So for my like that time of the month, I thought I would just show you guys, because we're all girls here. My viewership is like 98% girls. So these are the tampons that I use. These are the Tampax Pearl Super Plus Absorbency Unscented. These are just like, I don't really use tampons all the time because they can be really uncomfortable for me. So I usually only use these when I'm like having like a light, not a light flow, but like a decent flow. I don't use this when I'm having a heavy flow because they just do nothing for me. But I really like these because they're easy to use. I know that a lot of people are like afraid to use tampons because they're afraid like they'll fall out or like slip or like, you know, whatever. But these just work really nicely for me, so I just thought I'd mention them. We're all girls here, and I thought I'd just let you guys know which ones I personally like to use. So yeah, these are my favorites. And then these are my favorite pads to use. These are the Kotex Regular Security Ultra Thin. I don't necessarily love the ultra thin. I do like the regular ones that aren't ultra thin. But this I just pick up from Walmart, and they're just like the skinny ones. I love to just pop a few of these in my purse because like honestly I never know when my period's coming. I know that's so bad. Like I have the app and everything, but I just don't ever keep track. Like it always surprises me. Like I haven't had it for like 10 years already, 10, 12 years. But anyway, I just pop a few of these in my bag because if you don't have it, one of your friends will have it. You know, you never know. So, and you never want to be in a situation where you don't have one. So, I love these. I love the ultra thin to just pop in my bag, like I said, but I do like the regular ones for like everyday use when I have like my period or whatever. So, yeah. That is all of the stuff that I have for my hygiene routine for fall. If you guys enjoyed this video, definitely let me know by giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel down below if you're not already. And leave a comment down below, what are your favorite products for fall? Like let me know some of your favorite body washes, some of your favorite lotions, because the girl needs to know. But yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you in my next one very soon. Love you girls. Mwah. Bye.